In these questions, we need to find the circumference of the circles. Circumference just means the distance all the way around the outside of the circle. The formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. You won't be given this formula on an exam, so you need to memorise it. If we look carefully at the formula, we can see there are two invisible times signs here and here. So it's really 2 times pi times r. Now, pi is just a number, and it's the number 3.14. R means radius. This is the radius of the circle that you're working on. The radius is the distance from the centre of the circle to the edge of the circle. So in this question, we're given the radius, and it's 8 centimetres. To find the circumference of the circle, we need to start by writing down our formula, 2 pi r. Pi is just the number 3.14, and r is the radius, which is 8. This will be on the calculator paper, so you can then type that into your calculator, and you will get the answer 50.24. And the units are centimetres, because the circumference is just a distance around the outside. For this question, we're asked to find the circumference, but we're not given the radius this time. The radius is the distance from the centre to the edge of the circle, and we're actually given the diameter. To get the radius, we need to halve it, so the radius for this circle is 12 centimetres. To find the circumference, we start by writing down the formula 2 pi r. Pi is just the number 3.14, and r, we've just worked out, is 12. We then type that into our calculator, and we get the answer 75.36, and the units are centimetres. Here are two questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play again. So on the first one, the radius is 6 and pi is 3.14, so we're going to do 2 times 3.14 times 6, and the answer is 37.68 centimetres. On the second one, you need to make sure you've worked out the radius. The radius is 10 centimetres. So we've got 2 times 3.14 times 10, and that gives us 62.8 centimetres.